Hello guys, today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how to fix earbuds automatically starts playing or pausing the music. What you really need to check out first are touch controls. You need to open the application, then Controls tab and disable it with the switch in the top right corner. Then listen to music for a moment. The problem should disappear. Why is that? We don't have here any ear detection mechanism and sensors, so it's not the case. The case are only touch controls that probably are working without your knowledge, and they are just constantly playing or pausing your music. And of course, if you have play or pause set as a gesture. If you don't have it, the issue can't be fixed by us, probably because it's just something damaged in your earbuds. The only thing you can do is the factory reset. Open the case, put both earbuds in, and hold this button for 10 seconds until you see this light going red. That's it for this video. Goodbye.